How to log out Facebook account. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how to log out Facebook account. It's a very easy process. To learn it, watch this video till the very end. And now all you need to do is just open your Facebook app. So here you go. After opening your Facebook app, then tap on these three lines at the upper right side. Now scroll down a little bit and at the bottom you'll see option called Logout. Tap on here and this account has been successfully logged out. Now all you need to do is just to remove this account from here. To remove this account, tap on these three dots next to your profile. So tap on these three dots and now tap on remove account from device. Then tap on remove account and we are done, and this account has been removed from this device. So following this simple process, you can log out your Facebook account and you can also remove your Facebook account from your mobile. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.